Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can utilize Gmail SMTP server to send the mails from our web app. Let's say you have a Node.js or Monster application or a Python server, and how to send the email using the Gmail SMTP server from our personal account. So make sure you watch the video till the end that you don't miss any of the important steps. So starting with the first step, we have to create the app password. So for that we will go to the Gmail website. Then on the top right corner, just click on your profile picture and click on manage your Google account. In the search bar, type app password, and here you can click on the app password option. It might happen you won't be able to see this option because you have not enabled the two-step verification yet. After enabling the two-step verification, you will be able to create the app password. Okay. Right now it's asking for the password. Just enter your password here. Then you will come to the app password creation page. Just name your app, like whatever is your project name or application name. Here I am writing YouTube demo and just click on create. Then on the screen you will see a 16 characters long app password. Just copy that and paste it somewhere else. So that was it. And after creating the app password, we just need to set up the Node.js server. After that we will be able to send the emails. So this is the basic boilerplate code. You can get the same code from my blog and the link is in the description. So make sure you use that link and then you will get all the steps and the code, everything. So here I have created a basic Node.js server with the node mailer setup and everything. And the credentials, we need to paste everything in the .env file. So whatever was your email, you can list down here. And in the email password, you have to paste your 16 characters long app password. And make sure there are no space in between. So after pasting your credentials, we are ready to start the server and we will be able to send the emails now. So this is the basic front end I have created, and if you want the code you can write in the comment, or I will try to provide the GitHub repo link in the description. So here we can mention all the details like whom I want to send the email. So I am sending to this email and the subject is sample subject. Hello buddy. And send email. So that's it. Our email is sent and we can check here. I got this email. Regarding the quota limit, there is around 100. I'm not sure, but 100 emails are allotted for the free users. And if you opt for the Google Workspace, then the limits are much higher. And for small scale applications, or you are building some kind of MVP, or you are in a hackathon and you want to use this for authorization, OTP purpose, or sending the emails, then it's more than enough. If you are facing any difficulty or have any doubts, you can drop that in the comments. And regarding the code, the blog link and everything, I will mention in the description there. So this was it from my end. Regarding the links and the code, everything will be listed in the description. If you are facing any difficulties or have any doubts, you can drop that in the comments. And I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I will be regularly posting these kinds of videos which are helpful for you. Thank you.